Hello, CEOs. How are you doing? Thank you so much for joining me again on this video. Now, if this is the first time you're coming across my video, I want you to say welcome, welcome, welcome. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you set the notification button on so that you can always get notifications whenever I put up a video. And if you are a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you so much. Also, do not forget to share this video so that we can get a lot of people to learn what I will be sharing in this video today. Alright, so on this video, what I'll be sharing with you is how to build your list of 1,000 customers. So over the week, I got some questions about how to actually build your 1,000, how to build your list of customers over the video that I did about building your customer list. And that is why I am doing this video today. Without wasting much time, I'll just jump into it. Again, my name is Ibe Grace. All right, so the first tip that I will be giving or sharing with you is for you to decide, all right, decide the type of list that you want to build. All right, so you must understand that there are different lists, okay, that you can build. And one of the lists is, it could be your WhatsApp list, it could be a Facebook list, it could be an Instagram list, it could be a Twitter list, it could be a LinkedIn list, right? So you want to decide which of this list you want to build. It could also be an email list. All right, so one thing I want you to understand is that whatever list you are deciding on, it should be something that you can have access to. And that is why I always say, because social media is not your own, all right, Mark Zuckerberg can decide to, take off Facebook tomorrow. He can decide to stop you from posting on Instagram tomorrow. So what happens to your list if you decide to build on those platforms? So you want to build on a platform where you can always have access to it, even if social media is not available. And some of those platforms are your email list and your WhatsApp list. So you want to look at how you can build your WhatsApp list. You want to look at how you can build your email list instead of just building on social media. All right, so decide now which of the platform you want to use in building your list. And the next tip would be that you create a giveaway. All right, give away something for free. Everybody wants something for free. There is nobody that would deny you from getting something for free, except that thing that you're offering for free is not valuable to them. Now, I want to believe that you already know your customers, right? You know the people that you want to bring on your list. Because you know the business that you are into, you want to bring people on your list that will be interested in the business that you do, in the product that you want to sell. All right, so you want to give out something for free that will benefit the people that will definitely want to buy your product later on. Okay, so you want to create something that is of value to your customer, something that is of value to the people that will buy from you, something that solves a particular pain, something that solves a particular struggle that they have right now, something that adds to their life or something that takes from their life. So for instance, if I am in the skincare niche, for instance, I could decide to give a free skincare consultation of 30 minutes. Okay, so thereon I invite people to come on a free skincare consultation where I will, they will share their skincare issues with me and I would prefer them solutions for 30 minutes. All right, so if you're in the fitness niche, for instance, you could decide to do a 5-day free fitness challenge. All right, you could decide to do a 5-day free fitness challenge where you get people to come on board. All right, you give them tasks to do for 5 days and thereon you can offer them something. All right, so I'm shooting the bed. I'm shooting the gun before the, all right, so I'm going ahead. So give out something for free. Look at your business. What is it about your business that you can, create something out for free? What is it about your business that you can create something out for free? If you sell cake, for instance, you can decide to give out, cupcakes for free. All right? So look at your business and decide what you can give out for free. Now, I love giving ebooks. I love digital products. So you can create digital products and give out for free. If you're looking at how you can create digital products, there is a link in this video. Check the description box, and you will see a link on how you can create digital products like ebooks. All right, how you can create digital products like ebooks that you can give out for free. Then after creating your digital product, after creating something for free, the next thing you want to do is to create a system, all right, in which you can use in collecting their information. All right, create a system in which you can use in collecting their information. Now, this information can be their name, their email address, their phone numbers. These are the three information I prefer collecting, and these are the three information I always refer my clients to use or to collect from their ideal customers or prospects. All right, so you want to collect their names, you want to collect their email address, you want to collect their phone numbers. So when you collect this information, definitely whoever that is giving you this information has given you the right for you to reach out to them whenever it is that you want to reach out to them. All right, so having collected that information, the next thing you want to do is to deliver the free products that you have created to them. All right, you want to deliver the free product that you have created for them. All right, so when you deliver the free products that you have created for them, definitely you do not want to go selling to them immediately. All right, you do not want to go selling to them immediately, because it is possible that some of them are just meeting you for the first time. All right, so you want to build what we call the know, like, and trust factor. Okay, you want to build what we call the know, like, and trust factor. And what you want to do with this is how you can do this is to start creating content that fits your customers. All right, start creating content that fits your customers, and this is called nurturing them. All right, so you want to teach them about your product, you want to educate them about what you do. The more you want to talk to them about what it is about your businesses and how it will be of benefit to them. Whatever business that you do, whatever niche that you find yourself in, you want to educate them, you want to talk to them about the advantages. You want to let them know about what it is. Educate them. All right, educate them. I always advise that you educate them at least once in a week. Once in a week, you educate your lists. All right, you can do that twice in a week. If you can do that every day, that is fine, but the least you should do is once in a week. And once you're able to do that over a period of time, you can then sell to them whatever it is that you want them to buy. All right, so because you are sure that the people you are getting are the people that will be interested in what it is that you are what it is that you're going to sell, then you know that these people are your customers already. So you want to be clear on the products that you want to sell. You want to be clear on the people that you are looking at in joining your list. Okay, so do this every day. What you want to do is put out content every day and invite them to come join your list. Okay, if you do this every day, definitely you are going to have people join your list, and in a month you will be amazed at how much people you would have on your list, depending on the platform that you would be using. All right, so guys, I want you to go right now and start implementing this. Okay, I want you to go right now and start implementing this. Now, I do not know how solid your Valentine program is. Do you have a Valentine sales ready already in your business? Now, I would be introducing you to the Valentine Sales Masterclass. Now, if you have a product or services that you're looking at selling during this Valentine, then this masterclass is for you. All right, so I will be teaching other business owners like you and entrepreneurs, coaches like you, how they can create system in their business that brings in sales for them during this Valentine season. Also, I will be revealing to them my 24-hour sell out strategy. All right, my 24-hour sell out strategy. Now, you can implement this strategy in 24 hours and have people buy from you immediately within 24 hours. Yes, it is guaranteed. All right, so I will be sharing that secret with them, with as many of you that will be joining the Valentine Sales Masterclass. So you want to go on to flutterwave.com/pay/Valentine Sales Masterclass. All right, flutterwave.com/pay/Valentine Sales Masterclass. Go right there now and make sure you register so that you can join the Valentine Sales Masterclass before it closes. Okay, so also you will be getting my 15 marketing strategy, my 15 business marketing strategy. All right, if you make payment within 24 hours of watching this video, you will be getting my 15 business marketing strategy secrets. All right, apart from the secret of the 24 hours that I will be sharing with you in the Christ. So guys, I want you to go right now and click the link flutterwave.com/pay/Valentine Sales Masterclass and make sure you make payment and join the Valentine Sales Masterclass right now. I want to believe that you've gotten value from this video. I want you to subscribe. I want you to set the notification button on and make sure you share this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again on another video. Until then, have a wonderful day.